Hello everyone. Welcome to another video of Arduino $0 starter pack. In this video, I will show you how to create a project using an infrared remote to turn on some LEDs. Okay, first we should get our Arduino first. After that, we get an infrared receiver, this sensor, and then we put in here, and then we get some remote, this remote. Okay, after that we connect the infrared sensor into the Arduino. The out one first we check out for the code first. Infrared remote Arduino. After that we search for the code. Okay, first we use this code, copy it and paste into the Tinkercad web. Okay, and then we connect it. This code says that the receiver pin connected to 7 pin in the Arduino, so we connect the out legs into the pin number 7 in the Arduino. Okay. And then the ground one we put into the ground, and the power we put into the 5V. Okay, and then we can start the simulation for now to check what the ID for each button in the remote. Okay, let's start the simulation. We should check the button ID first. Okay, every button in this remote have some IDs. For example, for the 01, the IDs is FD30CF, and then all the buttons in this remote have a unique for each button. So I only want to use 3 LED, so I want to choose button number 1. Clear all first, so we don't confuse after we put the final program to this project. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, after that we already got the IDs. We check in the website to search for the final program. Okay, this is the final program. The previous program is for checking the IDs for each button in the remote. And then the final program is to operate some output or making some output in the projects. Like if we push button number 1, the LED one will be turned off like that. Okay, let's get some red pin. So we get some red LEDs, green LEDs, and then I want to use one more. That's blue LED, blue pin. Okay, first get it first. LEDs. Okay, first the red one, green one, and the blue one. The cathode is go to the ground one. Okay, and then the red one is go to the 10, pin number 10, and then the green one is going to the pin number 11, and then the blue one is going to the pin number 12. Okay, and we choose the color of the LED, and then this is blue. Okay, and then we should change some code first. We should, because we have put some new variable that's blue pin. We should write here the pin mode of the blue pin, that is output. So the Arduino knows that the blue pin or pin number 12 is for output. Okay, after that, this we should replace into this one. The 0x is we shouldn't change it. We only change this code one. F D 08 F7. Okay, for keypad number 1, and then digital red pin is on for 2 seconds, and then it turns off. After that, the second condition, put an FD 88877. For keypad number 2, the function is to turn on the green LED one for 2 seconds. This is delay to 2000, it means 2 seconds, 2000 milliseconds, like that. Okay, and then we put one condition again to turn on the blue LED. Okay, FD for 8B7. Okay, for keypad number 3, we put it into the blue pin 1. Blue, and then blue pin. It makes the blue LED turn on for 2 seconds and then turns off again. Okay, all the program seems correct. We can start our simulation now. And then for 1, the red LED will be turned on for 2 seconds. Okay, and it will be turned off. And number 2, the green one will be turned on for 2 seconds in the simulator time. 2 seconds and it will be turned off. And then number 3, and then the blue one will be turned on for 2 seconds. I think that's all about this remote infrared tutorial. I hope you guys understand this project. If you have any problems with this project, or you have any problems with your project, comment down on the comment section below. I will help you at the next video. Thank you.